There are so many ways to getting successful in life. One of the way is GATE examination. GATE is not a life, but GATE has the ability to change your life. My name is Banti Parsaniya, and in this video I am going to talk about how to crack GATE examination. Sir, how I prepare for GATE examination? First question is, why you want to write GATE examination? What is your purpose behind to write GATE examination? What happens if your purpose is not clear? Now, if your purpose is not clear, when you start your preparation, at a time you are highly motivated and you are going to put a lot of hours for preparing GATE examination. When day pass, at a time your motivation level is decreasing, and after some time you are going to left your preparation. Let's take example. At a day 1 you are going to put 10 hours for your preparation. At day 2 you are going to put 9 hours. Day 3 you are going to put 7 hours. Day 4 you are going to put 6 hours. Likewise, after a week or a 10 days you are going to left your preparation. Why this is going to happen? Because your purpose is not clear. Then what is the solution of this problem? First, define your purpose. Take a paper. In that paper, write down first question. What is my purpose to write GATE examination? Whatever your purpose is for writing GATE examination, you can write on that paper. Suppose your purpose is high salary package, or your purpose is good quality education. Your purpose is you want a IIT degree. Whatever your purpose is, write on that paper. Then take that paper and put on the wall. Why I am going to tell you to do this stuff? Because when you write your purpose on paper and put the paper on the wall, when your motivation level go down, at a time when you see that paper, then that paper remind you that why you are going to start GATE examination preparation. So writing in a paper, it's so important. Okay, second important stuff is consistency. If you want to crack GATE examination, or if you want to do anything in life, then you require consistency. Consistency is a key to getting successful in any field. I'm going to tell you a very powerful example of consistency. Suppose you have a one stone. Above of that stone we have a water tap. In that water tap, suppose we have a leakage and one drop of the water fall on the stone. Then after a 2 seconds, again one drop of the water fall on the stone. And after a 2 minutes, again one drop of the water fall on the stone. And after a 2 hours, again one drop of the water fall on the stone. And after a 2 days, again one drop of the water fall on the stone. Now tell me guys, this is $1 million question. What is going to happen with the stone? Sir, you lost your $1 million, because when one drop of the water fall on the stone, or after some time again one drop of the water fall on the stone, then nothing is going to happen with the stone, because stone is such a powerful entity. Yes, definitely nothing is going to happen with the stone, because stone is such a powerful compared to a drop of the water. Now we take second scenario. In second scenario, we have same stone. Above that stone we have water tap. In that water tap we have leakage. From that leakage, each and every second one drop of the water fall on the stone for 10 years. Means tap, 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 tap. It is continuously happen for 10 years. Now what is going to happen with the stone? Definitely stone are going to destroy. This is a power of consistency. Now I am going to tell you a second example of consistency. I recommend you that you see one movie is called Manji the Mountain. In that movie, a man, Manji, can cut entire mountain with help of a small hammer. How this is possible to cut entire mountain with a small hammer? For that you need two stuff. First thing, a powerful purpose. Manji has a powerful purpose to cut that mountain. Second thing, consistency. Manji every day go to that mountain and start cutting the mountain. This is a power of consistency. After some years, Manji can cut entire mountain with a small hammer. This is a wonderful, guys. Now take examples of our GATE examination. Suppose at the first day you are going to prepare for 9 hours. Second day you are going to prepare for suppose 3 hours. Third day you are going to prepare for 1 hour, and fourth day you are going to prepare for 1 hour. Then fifth, sixth and seventh day you are not going to preparing any single topic. Means you are going to prepare for 0 hours. Then that same cycle is repeating every week. Then what happened? In a 7 day you are going to preparing for 14 hours. Now you take an average, means you are going to divide 14 by 7, then answer is 2. Means every day you are going to prepare for 2 hours. Now instead of this, if morning you are going to prepare for 2 hours, afternoon you are going to prepare for 1 hour, and at night you are going to prepare for 1 hour, then you can prepare 4 hours in a day. If you maintain consistency, means every day you are going to prepare for same 4 hours, then in a week you are going to prepare for 28 hours, means double than your previous strategy. So consistency is so important for GATE examination. Important thing is planning. If your planning is really nice, then getting a successful in GATE examination, it's become easy. Now generally in a GATE paper you have 3 things: general aptitude, mathematics and core subject. Generally, general aptitude is come for 15 marks, mathematics is come for 13 to 15 marks, and core subject come for 70 to 72 marks. Generally in GATE examination we have 12 to 13 subjects. I suggest that don't leave any subject. If you want really good rank in GATE examination, then don't leave any subject. Even also in a subject, don't leave any single topic. Suppose you are going to prepare for 70 marks, means you are going to leave some topic, and also you are going to leave some subjects as well. Okay, then what happened? If God is with you, then out of 70 you are going to get 60 marks or a 50 marks. But if God is not with you, then out of 70 you are going to get 30 to 35 marks. So don't leave any subject, or even don't leave any topic. Prepare for 100 marks. If you are dedicatedly prepare for 100 marks, then out of 100 you are going to get 70 to 80 marks, and you are going to go in IITs. Okay, so leaving any topic in a GATE examination is a crime. In a GATE we have 12 to 13 subjects, so try to finish at least 2 to 3 subjects in a month. Let's take example. If you finish 2 subjects in a month, then within a 6 months you are going to finish entire GATE syllabus. If you start preparing GATE examination in March, then you will finish your syllabus in August. If you start preparing GATE examination in April, then you will finish your syllabus in September. If you start preparing GATE examination in May, then you will finish your syllabus in October. But I generally suggest that finish your syllabus in September, so that you have 4 months. In 4 months, you can do better revision and you can write the test series. Through test series, you can identify your mistakes, and through revision, you can fit all the topics in your brain. Because how many video you watch, it doesn't matter at the time of exam. At the time of exam, how many topic will you remember, that is matter. So revision is so important. Through test series, you can identify your mistake, because in GATE examination, you don't want to do any single mistake. So writing a test series is so important to avoid a mistake in final GATE examination, because all practice you want to do at your home, and in your final examination you don't want to do any a single silly mistake. Now fourth important thing is execution. Now our planning is ready on the paper. Now we need to implement our planning in real life. For that we need to do lots of hard work. Whenever you get time, whenever you get any single minute, at a time prepare for GATE examination, because after 1 year your life will going to change. So don't waste any single minute. Prepare hard for change the future and believe on yourself. To watching this video till now, doing like, shares and subscribe to my channel. I am so humble and grateful to you.